Have you ever pondered the intricate mechanisms that keep your body functioning smoothly? Just like an orchestra conductor, the endocrine system in your body plays a pivotal role in synchronizing various physiological activities. This system, made up of numerous endocrine glands, employs a fantastic array of hormones to maintain harmony in your body. The pituitary gland, often referred to as the master gland, holds a key role in this orchestra. Nestled at the base of your brain, it secretes hormones that control other endocrine glands. Growth hormone, prolactin, and thyroid-stimulating hormone are just a few examples of the hormones it produces. Next in line is the thyroid gland, a butterfly-shaped organ located in your neck. It takes center stage in regulating your body's metabolism. By releasing thyroxine, it controls how your body uses energy and responds to other hormones. Just above the kidneys, you'll find the adrenal glands. These glands are your body's stress responders. They produce cortisol, adrenaline, and other hormones that help your body respond to stress and regulate your metabolism and immune system. Nestled within the brain is the pineal gland, a small pea-sized organ responsible for producing melatonin, a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. The pancreas, although primarily known for its role in digestion, also plays a crucial role in the endocrine system. It produces insulin and glucagon, hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. Located in the upper chest area are the thymus glands. They produce thymosin, a hormone vital for the development and function of the body's immune system. And finally, the gonads, which include the ovaries in females and testes in males, produce sex hormones. These hormones regulate sexual development and reproduction. In essence, endocrine glands are the unsung heroes of your body, working silently and tirelessly to keep you healthy and functioning. They're akin to an orchestra, with each gland playing a unique and vital role. The pituitary gland acts as the conductor, ensuring all other glands play their parts correctly. The thyroid gland sets the rhythm of your body's metabolism, while the adrenal glands respond to the stress and strain of daily life. The pineal gland keeps track of time, orchestrating your sleep-wake cycle. The pancreas balances the sugar levels in your blood, and the thymus ensures your immune system is ready for any invader. Lastly, the gonads play a vital role in reproduction, ensuring the continuation of life. Despite their individual roles, these glands are interconnected, working in harmony to maintain the intricate balance of your body's functions.